Let's explore My Classes. The teacher is automatically linked to his homeroom class, so if the teacher clicks on My Classes, the list of classes the teacher can manage will be displayed. From the My Classes function, a teacher is able to edit the class's nickname by clicking on the pencil icon. A teacher can type the new nickname, then click on Save and Close. This pop-up message appears showing the class nickname has been changed. If a teacher clicks on Cancel, he will return to My Classes without saving this change. Second, a teacher is also able to view the class list by clicking on the Multiple Student icon. This is the list of students in the class. We will explain this feature in depth when we explore My Students. Third, a teacher can also link to other classes beyond the homeroom. For example, some teachers teach 2 homeroom classes, or they are a resource, music, physical education, or computer teacher. So, to link to another class, a teacher would click on Link Myself to more classes. Then, he would click on the chain icon next to the class. Then it appears highlighted and linked. Finally, a teacher is also able to link other teachers to their own class by clicking on Link Unlink Teachers. First, the teacher would select his class from the drop-down menu. Then the list of teachers in the school will appear, so the teacher will link the name of the other teacher to his class by clicking on the chain icon next to the teacher's name. Clicking again on the chain icon will unlink the teacher. For sub-administrators, there may be instances in which a teacher would like to add a new teacher, for example, a student teacher or a substitute, or a new student to your school if they are not already in the database. This is the role of the sub-administrator, to manage classes, teachers, and students. Please contact your local tech support person to learn about who has been assigned this role within your board, district, or division.